Welcome to our channel. If you notice an unauthorized or incorrect charge on your US bank account, follow this quick guide to dispute it effectively. Step 1. Review your account statement carefully to identify the charge you want to dispute. Note the date, amount, and merchant name of the transaction. Step 2. Gather any supporting documentation such as receipts, emails, or other proof that supports your dispute claim. Step 3. Log in to your US Bank online banking account at usbank.com. Navigate to the account where the disputed charge appears. Step 4. Locate the transaction in your transaction history. Click on the transaction to view more details and look for a dispute or report a problem option. Step 5. If available, click the Dispute Transaction button and follow the on-screen prompts to submit your dispute online. This is the fastest method. Step 6. If online dispute isn't available, call US Bank customer service at 1-800-285-8585. Have your account number and transaction details ready. Step 7. Explain the reason for your dispute to the customer service representative. Common reasons include unauthorized charges, duplicate charges, or charges for undelivered goods or services. Step 8. US Bank will issue you a provisional credit while they investigate, typically within 10 business days. This amount will be credited back to your account temporarily. Step 9. Cooperate with any additional information requests from US Bank during their investigation. Respond promptly to any correspondence. Step 10. Monitor your account for the final resolution. US Bank typically completes investigations within 45 to 90 days. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.